Don't wear a black belt with a light-toned outfit if you want to look taller. Instead, go for a belt in the same tones as the outfit to create a continuous line. Wearing a contrasting belt on an all-black ensemble and a chunky necklace can overcharge the look. Do swap the necklace for delicate earrings to keep the focus on the belt. Lace up heels. Don't lace up your heels around the calf. Do thread underneath the sole and around the ankle. White top. Don't wear a sheer white top with black or white undergarments. Do wear undergarments in closer color to your skin tone. Imbalanced proportions. Pairing a tight top with slim jeans and stilettos is outdated and can make you look unflattering. Do instead try the sandwich rule to balance proportions. Simply swap the slim jean with a pair of loose pants to contrast with the delicate top and shoes. Neglecting casual outfits. Don't spend all your money on party clothes. Most days are casual, and nobody looks flattering in loose leggings and a puffy jacket. Do invest in smart casual clothes for your everyday style. Choose quality basics, like tailored pants, smart trainers, and classic coats, hoodies, or knitwear. How to tuck in a shirt. Don't tuck the shirt all the way in. Do leave the back out and fold it loosely. Pull out the front a bit to create volume, and roll up the sleeves for a delicate final touch. Styling a long skirt. Don't wear a long A-line skirt with flat shoes and tights. This shortens the leg. Do opt for a knee-high boot that will elongate the silhouette and a structured, trendy sweater with a high collar. How to wear socks with loafers. Don't stretch the socks all the way up. Do lightly push the socks down to create folds. Cropped cardigan. If you have a larger chest and love cropped cardigans, buttoning up may look unflattering. Do simply wear a tank top underneath and unbutton all buttons except the top one. The A shape creates a relaxed look. Oversized look. Don't. Pairing a large blazer with everything oversized can make your body look like it's drowning in the outfit. Do mix up more delicate items with the oversized blazer for a balanced look. How to roll jeans. Don't roll your jeans by folding the hem inside out. Do pull the jeans in and fold the hem once, so it's still visible. Don't wear wide-leg pants with a chunky black boot. The loose fabric and heavy boots create excessive volume at the bottom. Do opt for a straight-leg, slightly cropped jean to offset the outfit. Color balancing. Don't pair black shoes with a white tank top and black pants. Wearing the same darker color creates a bulky look. Do. Instead, choose shoes in the color of the top to create a harmonious look. Miniskirt with high heels. Don't wear your miniskirt with a tight top and high heels. This look feels out of style. Do go instead for an oversized, crisp shirt. Tuck it in the front for a more contemporary and balanced look. Tight knit sweater. Don't pair anything with a bold sleeve or structured shoulder with skinny pants. Do swap the pants for slouchier jeans to offset the volume at the top and create a harmonious silhouette.